Coming up in all angles, a horrifying tale. Jamaican fishermen detained at sea, chained in inhumane conditions, moved from ship to ship for over a month. Now they're suing the U.S. Coast Guard. Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson-Miller, and a very special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Lots of outrage since the American Civil Liberties Group, the ACLU, revealed that it has filed a lawsuit on behalf of 5 Jamaican fishermen held at sea in 2017 by the U.S. Coast Guard for more than 30 days and subjected to inhumane treatment. We're looking at the different issues that arise from that in this program. Now, the ACLU has asked the men not to speak to us without their lawyers present, but they did give us permission to show this video in which the fishermen relate what they went through.
I've been a fisherman from when I was about 8 years old. Almost all my life I've been a fisherman.
I go fishing all over Jamaica. Wherever the fish is catching, that's where I'm gonna be.
It was 5 hours going to the Mullen Key, leaving from Chilani.
The plan was to go fishing, but things didn't go as planned, you know? In the night, we leave out to go fishing. When we reach a certain distance, then the weather get bad. We develop difficulties, engine problem, so we drift off course.
We see this vessel up in the sunlight coming down on us. We see US flag.
When they come beside us, they say, stop the boat, this is US Coast Guard, and then we stop. 2 Coast Guard boarded the boat.
They asked what we were doing, we tell them we were fishing.
We show them our license and everything and the paper for the boat and everything. And they say they're gonna call Jamaica.
What's going on? We're like asking like, what's the process?
And then they put their guns up and say, we to get on the small boat.
They put us on the big ship, they tell us to take our clothes off, strip naked. They give us a white suit.
Then they chain us to the back of the deck.
They put a cuff on our feet.
And then they got a lot of other people chaining on the boat from different countries same way with us.
And gradually, you see a big fire.
They destroy everything in fishing gears. They shoot up the boat, they light it and sink it.
Burn our boat. Then take us to Cuba.
They said we're not being charged, we're only being detained.
Every day we ask, can we get a phone call? They say no, it's against the policy. When we went in Puerto Rico, they find a tarpaulin and they cover the back of the boat so no one could see us. And we were there for like probably 2-3 days. All the time we chain. Every boat we go on, as they switch it over, they chained us. And they just give us cold food every day.
Slimy, it's not good.
You in the elements, the sun, the rain, the dew.
Sun come burn you, rain come wet you.
That boat we was on it during the hurricane. Clothes wet, bed stuff they give us get wet.
It was hard, man. It was hard, you know. Yeah, it was hard, you know. We know that we're in the hand of the US government and this is the way they treat us, you know. We were treated like we are garbage. We're not qualified to come inside. So that's all we were on the vessel all the time.
It was dramatizing, you know. Sometimes you could remember it. It comes back to your mind, you know, like the treatment, what you go through.
Everything was it come like I just lose my mind completely. Everything was just.
It make me feels like sometime I will jump overboard too. Enough time I think about jumping overseas and just forget about life. But sometimes I think back on my kids them. I just try to stay strong to see them again, you know. We didn't get a phone call until 1 month, 4 days, until they take us to Miami, take us to the FDC. I called home and I tried to get to my baby mama. I didn't get to her. I tried to get to my brother and I didn't get to him. And I get to my cousin and she answered the phone and she said, "Oh God, thank God you're alive."
The first time I called, it wasn't Ann that I got to, it was her daughter. She burst out in tears immediately when she heard my voice.
I was all over in tears. I couldn't talk. I was like all crying.
Everybody in Jamaica say I was a dead man because nobody know nothing. My kids, they've been dropping back from school and all of that because they're not hearing from me for the whole months.
I think I never sleep 1 minute. I never sleep. I don't know how. I can't describe that feeling. It's a horrible feeling.